Okay, today my topic is healthcare. What is healthcare insurance? The healthcare insurance prevents you and your family from suffering a financial loss as a result of accident, illness, or disability. In case of health insurance, your family will be saved suffering from any financial loss, just like a house just like a house and house loss, just like an accident and illness. If you having any illness, the recover the health insurance recover all the money of health insurance. Money Sense is our agency and company provide the different health insurance disability, especially the accidental accident, illness, and disability. In case of any disability, we provide the health insurance services and health insurance features A to Z. And second, we discuss the health insurance. Health provide an income while you are disabled or in hospitals or covers the cost of your medical or nursing care. In this situation, we provide the health care. Our company is Money Sense. You can search on Google and search my sites and check the our terms and policy and cost of your medicals. If you in case of you will be in hospitals, and we cover the cost of your financial medical and provide the nursing care in free of cost, because you are the member of in our company, and you are the registered in our Money Sense company. Okay, I discuss more something about health insurance and fill up the form of the health insurance and family health insurance and myself. First of all, healthcareofamerica.org. In America, we how to manage the health insurance and health insurance in .org. This is our organizations. This is the American organizations, and government of America will be responsible for your health insurance. This type of step one, who are you searching for? Myself, my family, and myself. Okay, if you fill up the form yourself, you will be select the myself. I select it myself. And second zip code where you living, and 1001 is my zip code where I am living. Okay, start online process of health insurance. Healthcare of America.org. This is the official website of American. And second, what is your gender? Male, female. Gender is male. Okay, and continue. Okay, continue. What is your annual household income? Why do we need this? Because we need the some criteria about the health insurance below 12,000 and 12,000 to 28,999 and 1929,000 to 49,000, 46,999, and over 47,000, this category. If you fall in this category, you will be select, and fall in this category, you will select it. And if you fall in this category, you will be select 47,000, and this is your household income you earn in a annually. You earn in a year 47,000, but I fell in 29,000 to 46,000. Select and continue. So, have you experienced a qualified life event? If you have any life event, you will be covered. And got married or divorced. if you have in marriage, and you will be selecting the marriage, and if you have divorce, and you will be selecting divorce, and if you select the loss of coverage, you will be selecting the loss of coverage. If you file in the moved, you will be selecting the relocate and move. Change or lost job. If you changed and lost job, you will be select the last job. If you left the job, and you will be select the lost job. And third is birth or adoptions. If you are in birth or adoptions, see, so you will be selecting the birth or adoptions. None of other above. If you have any other activities, you will be select the none of the above. So you will be marked. You will be select the marked. Continue. 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 Okay, continue, continue, continue. Okay, 99% will be almost completed, get quiet. Thanks, please wait while. Okay, thank you, I found a great match for you. Click the options below to get your free quiet. This is I male and New York. My zip code is 10001 because the selection location is New York. Okay, and no, ICA plans available. Health Plan of America, Affordable Care Act plan in New York. Okay, click the option below to get your free card. Okay, checking the multiple companies to get lowest rate. This is live. I will show you the free health insurance cards. Just wait a moment. I will show you the free health insurance cards in this video. Okay, wait. In health insurance, we feel the better if we in any disability, and if we any problems, if we any financial problem, the health insurance will recover our all expense, and all losses will be fine and will be easy. Save your life and save your money in health insurance if we fall in health insurance, and if we have a family members, and we also family health insurance. Health insurance is very important in your life in different type of health insurance, but I discuss the health insurance. uh, I discuss only health insurance, and different type of health insurance, just like your car insurance, and your jet insurance, and your house insurance. And today my topic is only health insurance, life insurance. Okay, searching. I will wait. Okay, searching. I will waiting for this moment. Okay, the health insurance plans, Health Plan of America, explore affordable health care in New York. Enter your zip code here, and next. ACA qualified plan for $10 per month or less for eligible individual. What is ACA? You also about know the ACA. This is great information. And the Affordable Care Act. This is Affordable Care Act was signed into law on March 23, 2010, and signed. Affordable Care Act. It is the name for Comprehensive Health Reform Law and its amendment, also referred to by some as Obamacare. The ACA aims to assist in making health insurance more accessibility for people with low and moderate incomes. This is the purpose of ACA, and adding subsidies for financial help, preventative care benefits, stopping pre-existing conditions, denials, and allowing dependent to stay under their parents' plans longer has allowed for a more inclusive healthcare system for Americans. How to qualify for coverage? You must be US citizen or legal residently currently living in the United States, have recently lost or do not have access to an employer's response plan, not currently incurred, find plans in your area, select Affordable Care Act in America. So some key points, key features included. First of all, I will discuss provide the first steps. Provide consumer with subsidies subsides that over lower cost for household with income between 100 and 400 plus percent of the federal poverty level. This is the federal poverty level in this situation fell. Second, adding previous intent to encourage better health to avoid future illness. And in third, expanding medical programs to select states to cover all adults with income below 138% of the federal poverty level (FPL). This is FPL. And in fourth point, Provident Insurance provides from denying coverage to those with pre-existing condition. Okay, the next is compare health insurance plans. We can compare in health insurance plans. Are you confused about health care options? Okay. Recently employed, self-employed, working without coverage, retiring soon, or simply trying to save money, we are help to you find an affordable health insurance plan that fits your lifestyles. Enter your zip code to get started and get matched some insurance. I just take the plan for some few minutes. Just check the quotes. Okay. In this course, we check Affordable Care Act 2020 plan in New York, and in these situations, need health insurance for low-income adults. Our experts have collected the best plan from 69 per month. Save time and money with free insurance quotes. Choose subsidy eligible and private plans. Check new plans in your stats. This is the official website Affordable Health, www.affordablehealthplans.org, and this is the official website of America. And second, the second plan is affordable healthcare. And 2023 New York health plan from 59 per month. See quick verse comparison. Compare affordable coverage online 100% free. Choose from PPO, HMO, and short-term plan. Top rated plan for families and individuals. This is the official website www.healthplanquote.com. The third one is Blue Cross of New York, United United Health and Aetna Best 2023 Open Enrollment Trials. Learn why we have the only health plan in Europe to receive 5 out of 5 star for 2023. First, compare the lowest rates you will find from the top provider in the country. Review all the new best deals in your country. Get cover and earn huge savings. This is the official website of www.firstcarehealth.com slash 2023 deals. This is the done. Okay, another great information I will provide for you, and I give you a great information about affordablehealthplan.org non-government entity. This is non-government entity affordable health plan option 2023. In 2023, this is affordable plan your health insurance in United States of America. Uh, Enter the zip code and your area is Ukhara PP because I living in Ukhara. My name is Madassar Hussain, and this is Ukhara mentioned here because the auto selected and auto generate the area Ukhara PP. Okay, PB is a variety of health plan option to find plans may be available from these providers and more because this is health plan of United States, and this is the official number of United States. If you type the official number and this will showing make a call from my cell phone, and message will be provided in my cell phone. And okay, the zip code also will be here because I create the health insurance in New York. Okay, start my card. I'm looking for individual or family coverage. Okay, start my card, and I'm an individual. Household size one. Next, what is your household income? 35 to 40,000. No, 20 to 25,000. Next, are you your what is your gender? Male. What is your date of birth? Okay, 12, sorry, 012, 012, 910, 93. Okay, next, this is your home address, New York. New York 101. This is my home address. This is my home address. We provide a location, provide local tutor in your area. Okay, no mentions. I just showing where I'm living. Uh, this is Chapon Coriander. Okay, Cannon Factory, Palm Hallway. Yeah, this is my home address. Okay, next. What is your full name? Modasar Hala. Next. Thank my sister, your card is ready. Where do you send it to? Okay, where it is sent it to? This is your phone number and your mail. Because I just showing the some example of the non-government entity, and you also be will be done if you follow this website affordablehealthplan.org and fill up your form and take insurance. This is your health insurance and great information for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.